Here I have some Fake Oppo device, and let me show you how to insert the SD card and the SIM card in the following device. First of all, let's use the power key to turn off the device. Let's tap power off and then OK. Now let's wait until our smartphone completely turns off, and now we can remove the back cover of the phone. Now we need to pull out the battery, and now here we have our slots. The first one is designated to the SIM card, the middle one is for the SIM card as well, and the bottom one is for the SD card. Let's insert the SIM card first. And now the SD card. Now let's put out the battery on its place and the back cover as well. Let's turn the device on. And now we need to wait for the lock screen. Okay, after that let's check out our cards. Let's unlock the screen and let's go to settings. Here we have SIM cards. As you can see, our cards works fine. And now let's check the SD card. Let's go to storage and USB. And here we have our SD card. We can check out right here. And we can return to the home screen. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. That's it for this video. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.